Hello everybody, welcome to the PayBot community. On behalf of myself, Brad Payini, and Alexi, we would like to thank you all for joining the community. We got a lot of exciting things coming up, but I wanted to create this video as a quick install video for those of you that are trying out PayBot, or those of you looking to sign up. I think this video will be helpful to get a quick install. The plan is to create several series of videos that will cover different topics. So if you notice I'm skipping certain things, don't worry, I'm gonna come back to them, create specific video for those those areas. This video, I just don't want it to be way too long. I want to cut the video real short so we could go straight to the point, and I will create, like I said, series of videos covering different topics of PayBot and its functionalities and cool features that it has. Alright, so for those of you that are a little bit in the intermediate to advanced, I will ask that you be patient. I'm going to try to be be as basic as possible so that we can carry everybody along with us. There are some of you that are, some people here that don't have the knowledge level you may have. Please be patient so we can carry everybody along, so if you notice I'm going a little bit slow, or I'm touching on certain things that you think you already know, please bear with us so we can carry everybody along. Okay, we want to help as many as we can, and of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send us a message, or join our community and ask us any questions you have. All right, so before we proceed, I would recommend that I'm assuming you already have your ManyChat account, and also you've already linked your account to your Facebook page. Alright, now if you do not know how to do that, I'm going to create another video tutorial that will cover that. Alright, but as of now, I'm assuming you've already signed up for a ManyChat account and you've already linked it to your Facebook page. In addition to that, I highly recommend you get, if you are still using the ManyChat free version, I highly recommend that you upgrade to the pro version. Okay, because PayBot was built to function a lot better on the paid version. All right, so if you're on the free version, please consider upgrading. The pro version got a lot of features that allows you to be a lot more creative. The free version is okay, but it limits your creativity because certain functions, certain features are restricted. So I highly recommend you get the pro ManyChat version. All right, it's just about $10 a month, so it's not bad at all. All right, so to start the installation, what you need to do is I recommend to get things a lot faster for you. Open up about 4 different tabs. All right, you can use your Google Chrome browser. Open up like 4 different tabs. The first tab, you can type in paybot.top or paybot.top. Okay, you can see it right over here. Just type it in and pull up this website. This is our main website right here. Okay, so you should see something like this. All right, so use the first tab to open up this website, and then open up another tab. Okay, and then open up your ManyChat account. Just make sure you're simply logged in. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are, dashboard, flow, it don't matter. Just log into your ManyChat account. All right, and then open up another tab and then log into your Facebook. Actually, you need your Facebook to log into your ManyChat account. All right, so but you can have your Facebook account open as well. Then the fourth tab will be your Stripe account. That's assuming you are using Stripe as your payment processing company. Okay, well, you can use Stripe and then PayPal, and then we have some few other payment processing companies. I'm going to do a video about that later on. So we will recommend you go with Stripe for now. Okay, so let's go back to the the PayBot.top page. Okay, so this is where we're gonna get everything started. All right. Okay, so we want to click on the green button that says log in with Facebook. Okay, this is where we're gonna get everything started. So just go ahead and click that button real quick. Okay, and instantly it logs you into the PayBot dashboard. Okay, so as of now we only use a Facebook API integration to log you in. Okay, we do not do the email as of now. This one's a lot faster and I think a lot more secure. You do not have to use email and create password and click on capture and go to your email, that kind of all that hoops. You don't have to go through all that hoops. So with one click you're securely logged into the the PayBot dashboard. Okay, so from this point you want to click settings. Okay, so once you click on the settings area, what you're going to be looking for is this green icon right here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install the PayBot template onto your ManyChat account. All right, so you want to just go ahead and click install over here. All right, and give it about a few seconds and it will pull up this page right here. Okay, so it sets everything up for you to install. Again, not to sound repetitive, if you do not yet have the ManyChat Pro account, I highly recommend that you pause this video and just go get an upgraded version. It's only $10 a month, which is not bad, for a start. Okay, so because the PayBot template was built to work a lot better on the Pro version. Okay, so get the Pro version. All right. Now from this point here, you can see on the left side it gives you some kind of an overview of what to expect in the template. Okay, in the PayBot template. You can go take your time and go. I mean, you don't have to go through it, but if you just want to check it out, it's okay. It just gives you all that comes with the template. On the right side is a little bit more detailed information. You can take your time and read it, but this is just for a quick install. So we're not gonna go through all this. We're gonna create a series of videos that will cover pretty much all these ones over here. All right, so want to click the install button at the bottom here where it says install. We're going to go ahead and just click on that, and then it will prompt you to choose what page you want the PayBot template to be installed on. Okay, so if you only have one page, I guess you wouldn't have to worry too much about this place right here. But if you have several pages, you want to be careful to select the specific page you want to install the PayBot template on. Okay, so ManyChat will ask you which page do you want me. It's just trying to help you skip the step of having to install PayBot and then install on the page. So it's just telling you just pick the page you want, and then it will do all the background work for you. All right, so for the sake of this video, we're going to install on mom and pop gadgets. All right, so we want to go over here, click install. Okay, and then it takes you to the next page. Now over here, you do have the option to allow PayBot's welcome message and main menu to override your welcome message or main menu. Now this is an option. Okay, so if you want PayBot's welcome message and also the main menu to override yours, you can leave it in the green, in this green color. Okay, you can leave it like this. Okay, but if you want to keep your own welcome message and you want to keep your main menu, you do not want PayBot to override that. You want to go ahead and just uncheck them. See? All right. So for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna leave them unchecked. Okay. Again, it's optional. Later on, if you choose to, make it override, it's all up to you. Okay. It's just an optional thing. All right. So we want to go ahead now and install. Okay. So we want to click the green button at the bottom, and it will begin installation. Just give it a few seconds, and boom, it's done. Okay. Installation is complete, but we still have a few more things to do. Okay, so we want to go ahead and click continue. All right, now here it's asking for your MS user ID. Now what you want to do is you want to go over, it tells you where to go get it. You're going to need it. This is a specific unique ID from PayBot. We give you this ID to feed it to the ManyChat system, so ManyChat can communicate with PayBot behind the scenes. All right, so to grab this user ID, okay, we want to go back to our dashboard, and then right under settings in the PayBot dashboard. Okay, this is why I say you should keep all the tabs open, so you could just flip back and forth, without having to log in and all that. So we want to grab this ID right here, just copy it, okay, and then come over here and insert it, and then hit finish. Okay, and give it a few seconds, and ManyChat will verify to you that it's in. Awesome. Okay, so now we inserted the user ID from your PayBot in here. Okay, we're not quite done yet. We're doing pretty good, but we still have a few more things to do. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the ManyChat settings. Okay, we want to go to the ManyChat settings right here on the left hand side. Okay, and okay, so from the ManyChat settings area, we're gonna go over to API. Okay, right over here where it says API. Okay, and then we want to get a token or generate a token. Now it looks as if it already created one for me here. Okay, but if you want, you could just refresh the token if you want. Okay, you could just do that just to get things refreshed a little bit. All right, so we want to copy this right here. Okay, so these numbers and IDs is what ManyChat uses to communicate with PayBot. Okay, they got to speak to each other in the background. All right, so we want to copy this token right here, or it's also API key, ManyChat API key, and then we're going over to the PayBot dashboard. Okay, and then right here under settings, we want to paste that key over here. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and save right over here. Okay, now you notice there are quite a lot of things going on here. Again, like I said earlier, I just don't want this video to be way too long. I just wanted this to do a quick install. So I'm going to create a series of videos that will cover all these other areas. All right, so don't worry about it. I'm going to have videos that will cover all those areas. Just want us to do a quick install. Okay, so once we inserted the API key in there, we have it saved. We're now going to go over to the Stripe account. Okay, so just go over to Stripe, log into your account, and then on the left hand side, once you log in, you're going to see something like your home page, but we're looking for you're going to look at the left hand side, we're looking for developers. Okay, now don't be scared about it. There's nothing to be scared. We just follow the video and you'll be fine. All right, so look for where it says developers, click on that. Okay, we're not gonna write any code, so there is nothing to worry about. Okay, so from developers, click on it, and then we're gonna click on where it says API keys. All right, so we want to click on that. All right, now it's gonna generate a key right here. There are 2 keys that you need to copy. Okay, we're gonna integrate that. We're gonna go under our PayBot and then click on integration. Okay, so we're gonna integrate, for the purpose of this video, let's do Stripe. Pay in cash, you can do that as well. For those of you who have restaurants, you know, I have a restaurant bot where I'll allow customers to order, you know, and pay through mobile, or they can come in and pay in cash. You know, they just send in their order. So it's up to you. You know, you choose whatever you want. It's pretty much self-explanatory. If you want Stripe, choose. We got many other ones here. We'll add. I think we'll look. Probably might add Bitcoin as well. You know. So, but hey, I think Stripe and PayPal is pretty much enough. Okay. So over here, we want to go back to settings. Okay. So here you put your shop logo URL. Okay, if you have one that you want to use, you can put it in right here. And we're now going to integrate the key, okay, over here. Now, just before I proceed, make sure that your Stripe account is activated. Usually Stripe will ask you for you know, some information, your name. They want to verify. Stripe is very, very strict when it comes to, you know, security. These guys they take security very, very seriously. So they will ask you for certain information. You know, they make sure you link your bank account and, you know, social security, you know, all them kind of information you need to verify who you are. So make sure your account is verified. Okay. Now, usually they will send you an email, you know, notifying you that, you know, everything is verified. Another way is that when you look at the token key here, you can see that it says PK_test. Okay, the test one is the preliminary key they give you at the beginning. All right, later on, once your account is verified, when you look over here, it will say PK_live. Okay, the live indicates that your account is actually live. Now this is just for video purposes. Later on, you know, later on I will do a specific video on this, but this is just for us to do a quick video, quick install video. So I'm gonna just go ahead. So you want to copy this publish key right here, and we're gonna paste it. Let me go ahead and copy that right over here. Okay, we're gonna paste copy, and then we're gonna paste it right over. Where is Stripe? Right over here. Okay, and then you want to do the same thing. Once you click right here and it says test. Okay, now this is just for test purposes. All right, so there's nothing to worry about. Okay, I know some people might say, why is he showing the API keys? Don't worry about it. It's just for test purposes. All right, so once you have that installed, just go ahead and save it, and boom, we're pretty much done with our quick install. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. This was just a quick install to see how we can quickly you know, get things set up. I will have the next video coming up will show us how it works once the installation is done, how things are going to be working, you know, for you to know that everything is set up and ready to go. You want to test it out, right? You know, so our next video will show us you know, how we're going to test things out. All right, so if for any reason you're still not comfortable with the setup, contact us. You could contact me or Alex, you know, and let us know. We can help you out with the setup. If you want us to take over and do everything, we can even set up your entire store, you know, for a small fee, you know, so you don't have to worry about all this technical stuff. Although it seems pretty simple, right? I mean, the video makes it simple. But if you want your store set up, you know, with the inventory and all the bells and whistles and all of that, we can take over everything, and you could just sit back and relax, and we'll do everything for you. You know, for a small fee, we'll take care of that for you. Okay. But other than that, I recommend you join our PayBot community. You will see a link in the description area at the bottom of this video. Join the community, and we have people in there that will be more than happy to help you. We are also in the community too, so when we see questions, we'll be happy to answer them as well. All right, so thank you once again, and look out for the upcoming videos. Thank you for joining our community, and I appreciate you all. Take care and have a nice day.